Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sindy Putri Maharani. I'm majoring in taxation. I will give you summary about English material. Material discussion 1. Recognizing the structure of words, their root suffixes. 2. Understanding sentence, their punctuation or comma. 3. Context clue, their definition clue, example clue, cause and effect, contrast clue, inference clue, restatement, modifier, and sentence or paragraph. Recognizing the structure of word. When context does not give enough clues to the meaning of an unknown word, it is helpful to break the word into word part. The beginnings, middles, and endings of words are called prefixes, roots, and suffixes. Learning the meanings of the most common prefixes, roots, and suffixes will provide a basis for analyzing thousands of English words. Next, there are understanding sentence. The sentence, one of the basic units of meaning, is defined as a group of words that express a complete thought or idea. In order to be complete, a sentence must contain sufficient information so the reader is not left to question what happened, or to whom or to what something happened. All complete sentences must have two essential components. They are called core parts. First, a sentence must have subject. It must be about person, thing, or idea. Second, a sentence must express some type of action. Something must happen or be done by the subject. In long complicated sentences, identify the core part is more difficult because it is necessary to separate the core parts from other words, phrases, and clauses which provide additional information about the core part. Punctuation is an aid to the reader in comprehending sentence meaning and identifying the core parts of the sentences. Each type of punctuation must give the reader specific information about the relative importance of ideas and the location of core parts within the sentence. Next, context clue. When reading is English, it is not uncommon for us to come across difficult words that we have never encountered. If it's like that, what people usually do is open a dictionary. But did you know that is a way that can be done before you decide to open your thick and heavy dictionary? That method is called context clue. Context clues are a way to guess the meaning of a word in the context of the reading. So, in reality, we are just questioning the meaning of the word. The steps we can take are as follows. Look at the meaning of other words in the same sentence to draw a connection to the word you are looking for. So, suppose you find the sentence as follows. I took blah 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 off the shelf and started reading. When we look at the word shelf and read, our brains might already be able to guess what word should be entered into a sentence, namely a book or the like. Pay attention to the use of grammar and punctuation that indicate the relationship between the parts in a sentence. Semicolon and comma usually give us another meaning of a sentence or word. Like the example below, Nadia is a scholar. He does not want to spend money on anything if he can get it for free. Some of us may not be familiar with the word score, but if you read the sentence after the semicolon, he does not want to spend money on anything if he can get it for free, or he does not want to spend money on something he can get for free. You will know that score is cheap cat. You don't need to look for the essence meaning of the word because the most important thing is that you know that meaning in general. Learn to keep reading even if you don't know what a word in the sentence means. Know the essence meaning sometimes does not really matter and will only take away the time you have. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.